In this course, we're going to use the following tools. Python, which is one of the most popular programming languages, particularly for data visualization purposes. Matplotlib, which is a popular data visualization library for Python. Pandas, which we're going to use for importing and processing data. And Jupyter, which is an interactive Python notebook. Now, to install these tools, I recommend using something called Anaconda. Anaconda is a package manager for scientific libraries in Python, and when you install it, it comes with all the tools I mentioned earlier, including Python. So there's no need to separately install Python or any other tools when you install Anaconda, whether or not you have Python on your computer already. So let's see how we can install these tools using Anaconda. Anaconda is provided by the company called Continuum Analytics, so first find their website by searching for Anaconda Python, or by directly going to continuum.io/downloads. Once you're on Anaconda's download page, scroll down and make sure that the right platform is selected, whether it's Windows, Mac, or Linux. And click the button for an installer. I'd recommend using a graphical installer and Python 3 instead of Python 2, since Python 3 is more up to date. Once the installer is downloaded, open it and follow through the installer dialog with the default options. And Anaconda will be installed. The installation process will take a while, so come back to the video when it's done. Once Anaconda is installed, you'll be able to launch Jupyter, the interactive Python notebook application, through something called Anaconda Navigator. So launch Anaconda Navigator as you would launch any other application on your computer. Dismiss any pop-up dialog that might show up, and click Launch on Jupyter Notebook. We'll look into how to use Jupyter Notebook in the next video.